Hello everyone and welcome back to Luxandwine. My name is Caitlin if you're new here, and today I have something different for you. I have a vlog from the trip that my husband and I took for our anniversary a few weeks ago, and we went to Dallas and then Waco and then back through Dallas. We went to Magnolia Market and Harp Design Co, and then we went to Dallas to North Park and Highland Park and did a little bit of shopping. So you've already seen me unbox this Speedy and the other Speedy in the Pochette Matisse. Two of those bags were from the replacement of my Marathon, which I explain in this vlog. And also you'll see a couple of other hauls from this video, including some other luxury shopping and a nice big haul from Magnolia Market. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and I'll see you in the vlog. All right, we just got to our Airbnb in Waco. There's a couple of other houses over here. This is where we're staying. Still only about 10-15 minutes from the Magnolia silos, so let's see. Okay, there's a little kind of entryway here to the bathroom, which is really actually nice. There's no tub or anything, but although, oh, this is interesting. Oh, okay, that's really cool. I hadn't opened that up yet. And like some little storage back here. So that's covered by this cool barn door. It's basically like a tiny house, but with doesn't really have a full kitchen. And then over here is a really cute little kitchenette area. So it's not a full kitchen. There's no stove or anything, but that's fine because, I mean, who cooks when they travel? So a little living space, a little eating space. And then back here is the bedroom area with the beautiful view of just nothing but green, and a little deck we could sit on if we wanted to. Bed, and that's it. It's super tiny and adorable. So anyways, that's our little Airbnb in Waco. All right, can I get you in there? There we go.
Why do you need me in it?
Well, because you're a part of this life, sir. We're walking up to Magnolia Market. Oh yeah, that's gorgeous. Yeah, it is really pretty though. Is that the line for the bakery?
I have no idea, probably.
I really hope that's the line for the bakery and not the line to get into the market. What do you think about this situation? Lines everywhere. You're scared? So we just walked in and Grant says, oh, this is definitely my place. It looks like me. I'd say definitely that's true. Yeah, this is so pretty. It's actually, it's big, but it kind of goes back a little farther. We gotta get away from the door. There's a lot of people, but it's super cool. How does my hair look?
I don't know. I'm recording you though.
So Grant, how much do you think this costs?
The bucket?
Yeah, how much does the bucket cost?
50 or 60?
Close. $46.
Wow.
Yeah, $46. Oh, the pot over here was really cool. Let's see this. Terracotta pot. Normally about $3 at Home Depot. How much do you think it is here? Because
Let's go with 25.
Close. 24. You're really good at this. I'm impressed. Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I'm probably gonna buy one of these. So just in advance, don't judge me. Okay. So we've got two different size cake stands with that just literally say Magnolia established 2003 on them. Okay. How much do you think they are?
30 and 65.
34. You're really good at this. 48.
Oh, okay.
This one's actually not that expensive.
Okay.
bet nobody thinks you can buy these. Look.
I know. I didn't
Nothing.
think. No. Some sweet tea, or you got sweet tea. I got half and half.
Yeah, because you're a baby.
I'm the weirdest Texan, so I'm a
You're
Texan.
not from Texas.
I am. What are you talking about?
Not drinking sweet tea.
So apparently I'm not from Texas because I'm not drinking sweet tea. My Oklahoman husband is drinking sweet tea, and I'm half and half. So there's a bunch of food trucks here, which I kind of wish we knew about before we came, because we totally went and just. Oh, we did go to one of Joanna's recommendations from her Instagram. But I kind of wish we had just come here and spent a little more time checking out the food trucks. There is the Magnolia Table food truck, and there's actually a bunch of food trucks here to choose from. And then we went to this one and got some sweet tea, and it was really good. And it's really cute here. There's like, this is all AstroTurf, and there's places to sit like everywhere. There's a lot of places to hang out. It is really crowded in the air-conditioned portion of the silos, and then the second half was not air-conditioned. Fair warning if you're coming here, I wasn't expecting the whole interior to not be air conditioned. The front part is, but the second part is not, so definitely had to kind of strip down because it is hot. Actually, what's the temperature? It's 90 degrees, so it's actually not even that hot for Texas. But anyways, what are you doing? Got that demo day hat on. That I think we need to do a haul. We got a bunch of stuff. Super exciting. I think we're gonna go to Clint Harp's shop next, so I think we're gonna do that, and it'll be the next part of our adventure. So we decided we're gonna go on ahead and get the, oh God, wait, where are we? The bakery?
Yeah.
So we're gonna get some cookies. I think we're gonna get the silo cookie and the classic chocolate chip. And I actually thought this line was way longer when we first walked up, but it's actually only about a 20-minute line when the tent is full. So I think it should be in there in about less than 10 minutes. Should be good. Oh my gosh, y'all, it's so hot. We are back in the car headed over to Harp Design Co. So we are cutting it really close because they close at 5 o'clock. Which, fun fact for everybody, if you're coming here, a lot of places are closed Sunday through Tuesday. And we came, of course, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Magnolia Market's open every day, but the hours are a little bit different. And a lot of the restaurants and places here are closed. Most of them are closed on Sunday, and several are closed on Monday, Tuesday as well. Make sure when you're going that the places you want to go are open. There you go. No, what are you doing? All right. We made it. So cute. Love it. Go in. Yes.
Thank you so much.
We just got done at Harp, so we got a couple things that I can show you guys in our Magnolia haul. So you're gonna have your treat. We need to find a bathroom. Okay. TMI? We're here at the Magnolia table, so you can see the sign right here. And then over here is the actual restaurant, and we've got the takeaway over here on the right. You actually do have to come over here to this tent first, and then you give them your phone number, and then it generally takes about an hour or more than an hour, depending on the time of day you come. And then they'll text you when your table's ready. And at certain times of day, they actually will start turning away larger groups. So when we came here yesterday, the two of us could wait an hour and a half to have lunch, but it was about 1 o'clock, and they were turning away any groups over 4. So just good to know. And then over here, there's like the coffee and the juice bar and the little hangout area for people while they wait to get in. So. branding on it.
What is it?
$78.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know, I think it's cutting board and cheese board maybe?
Alright.
Can you believe how small it used to be? That's crazy. Right? They used to make this look so big. Wow, that's a good price too. Oh wow. Oh wow, look at the hardware. Really simple. This is a shoulder strap inside? Well, so I think the decision is that for the summer, I carry my bags more crossbody. So I feel like since I carry them more crossbody, I went the smaller. I think the smaller looks better crossbody. So I think I'm gonna order this pattern in this size, which is the 25. So that's the 25. I love it. And so I think we're gonna do that in the Azure. Hey y'all, there we go. I just wanted to pop in and say hey. And we just dropped off some shoes. This is Dino's. And they're here in Highland Park Village. They're across from, what's that, Valentino's over there. So they do luxury shoe rubberizing. So they can add rubber in like any color you want to your luxury shoes. So I'm having all my Valentinos done. And I don't own any Louboutins, but they did have like that option. So they'll do like rubber, like red rubber, tan rubber, black rubber, gray rubber, like all the colors of the rainbow, and they'll add it to your luxury shoes. And it's a really cool way to elongate the life of your shoes. And I looked online and I'd seen that there's a lot of people that have done that. And it doesn't really reduce the resale value of your shoes. It's the only reason that I kind of originally decided I wasn't gonna do that. But now I'm kind of regretting it, because when I took the protectors off of the bottom of the shoes that I've had the longest, my Rockstud Noirs are about 3 years old, I was noticing some tip wear. And that's what the owner said when we were talking to him when I dropped off my first two, and he said, you know, the biggest thing you're gonna notice is tip wear on these. And it really was. So I'm glad I'm getting it done now. And then I sent the other two that you guys will see in a haul video later, brand new. So it's really cool, and I'm really glad everybody here trusts them. So I wouldn't necessarily take it to a cobbler that you don't know and don't know does luxury, because obviously you don't want to trust just anybody with shoes that are that expensive. So anyways, that's what I wanted to say, and you'll see the end result soon. Hello everyone. We are actually in the parking lot at North Park because I am getting my Maranon replaced. And I actually didn't end up ever getting to do a review on this bag because I am getting it replaced. And so what's actually happening is this is coming out. I don't know if you, yeah, oh, you can see it really bad. So basically the, it's supposed to be really straight, kind of like this side, which this side has it too. It's just not quite as bad. But basically these corners are supposed to stay in, and as you can see, it's coming way out. So the bag is starting to lose its shape, which is not supposed to happen when it's only about 3 months old. So I'm really sad. So I'm actually going to just go on ahead and get a pochette métisse, which is what I originally went in to get when I bought this bag. And although I do love this bag, I just feel like this is a sign that it just wasn't meant to be. Although I love it. I mean, you know, it's got the leather, the top is the vachette, and then we've got the hardware here. But you know, I wasn't really impressed with already how the hardware was wearing. If you can see that, it's got kind of a big old scratch right there, and then there's quite a bit of wear where it's been going up and down, which is just really not that cute. And then the inside though is that really nice soft material, not that scratchy stuff that's like in the Neverfull. But the inside was just kind of one big pocket with a back pocket, and then you have this pocket in here, and then you can actually see there was, as part of that wear, kind of an indentation right there. Again, that's fairly normal because it's got this plate right here, which is just what causes that. Again, fairly normal. You know, the magnetic closure I struggled with a little bit. Originally, one of the reasons why I chose this one instead of the pochette métisse
Matisse was because I liked this better. But after using it for a while, that definitely really wasn't working for me either. So I'm sad that this happened because I still really like the bag, but maybe it'll end up being a blessing in disguise because I might like the Pochette Matisse clasp better. Everybody seems to like it. I really wasn't trying to get on the bandwagon with that, but you know, again, I think everything happens for a reason, and I think it was just supposed to be this way. So anyways, so that's what's happening. I'm saying goodbye to this bag. I'm gonna take my bando off of it, say goodbye to it. So that's all. I guess I have to get the bag shipped to me, so because they didn't have one in store, but they've got a bunch in Houston, so they're gonna send that to me. But so I will have an unboxing coming, so exciting, more videos. So thank you guys, and I will see you next time. Okay, well, I did the exchange, and I did go on ahead and get the Pochette Matisse is going to be shipped from Houston, and then the Speedy is actually going to be shipped from Dallas, because I guess the only way he could do the transaction is if he shipped both. So the only little Louis bag we're coming back with is the my bandos, but so I'm gonna have to wait a few days for the Speedy and the Pochette Matisse to come in. They may not even come at the same time, but at least by the end of this week I should be able to do my Louis Vuitton haul from this trip. I am still kind of a little annoyed that I had to buy like basically 2 Speedies on the same trip and another bag, and kind of that this whole thing happened, but I know it's like nobody's fault, just sometimes bag designs don't work out, or they just don't wear properly, or maybe it's just, you know, the way I was wearing it crossbody, which it's meant to be, but I guess maybe some people who buy it might carry it more top handle. I don't know, but either way, it's done. So it's just a little weird, like walking into a store with a bag and leaving without a bag. So, but that's all, and this is probably going to be the end of this vlog. I really probably could have done a better job vlogging this trip, but you know, just kind of do the best we can. So we'll see